Hey guys, Sinister RC and FPV coming at you with another episode of What's in the Package. Uh, got this in from Race Day Quads, and I'm really impressed with their shipping. I ordered this dude on Friday night, and it arrived in my mailbox today, so that's awesome on the shipping. And I didn't pay for any expediting shipping. I just did your standard shipping, so that's awesome. So anyhow, let's get to it. Let me turn you guys down so you guys can see what's going on here. Okay, there we go. Let's get her cracked open here. All right. Put my glasses on. Didn't quite cut it deep enough, but there we go. All right, what's in here? Ooh, battery strap, RDQ. Very nice. That'll go to good use. What else we got in here? Nothing there. All right. Let's get to the goods here. Oop. We've got a cool Race Day Quads decal. Love it. All right. Here we go. This is a Mamba F405 F40. This is a replacement for the Mamba that I got from Ryan RD FPV. And the reason why, when I went to put my TBS Source 1 build together, it is not seeing ESC number 1 in BL Heli. It's seeing all the other ESCs, but not ESC 1. So check that out. And I've heard great things about these stacks, so maybe I just got a faulty one. So we're going to go ahead and install this guy in here. If anything, I'll have an extra flight controller in case something happens with this one here. So yeah, we'll get this in and get this going, and hopefully I can finish off this build here because I've been dying to fly this thing. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.